If you're traveling to China in the near future, you have to watch this video to show you step by step how to pay like a pro in China. China moved directly from cash-based society to mobile payment. Completely skipped the middle part, which is the credit card dominated infrastructure that exists in the US. You know which company is the most upset? Is the post machine company. China has significant higher adoption rate of mobile payment than US, with a large majority of the population using it regularly in China. Payment using a QR code offer a very fast and convenient transaction method that you don't need any post machine. Before we dive in, can you use your credit card in China? Yes, but only a few places. Hotels, upscale restaurants, airport, and some online purchase. But small shopping places, local street food, transportations usually don't take credit card because they don't have a post machine. So how we really pay in China when we travel to China? The most common way is WeChat Pay or Alipay. Today, I'm gonna dig down these two payment methods and show you step by step how to register and start using those two payments in China. So what is WeChat Pay? A very unique feature for WeChat Pay is it actually combines payment with social media. WeChat is the largest social media platform for Chinese. You can basically consider it's a combination of Facebook, WhatsApp, and PayPal. So you can use it to communicate, post your daily stuff, and make a payment. WeChat has 1.4 billion active users every single month. It is the largest app that is used by Chinese. To use WeChat Pay in China is also very easy. You just need to download the app and register using your US phone number. Then you can go to the Me tab and click Service, then Wallet. Here you can add your card details. It accepts all different type of credit card. If you spend less than 15,000 yuan, which is about $2,000, you don't need to verify the identity. If you want to enjoy a higher transaction limit, you can complete the identity verification. All you need to do is upload your password. There are two ways to make a payment. The first is scan the merchant's QR code to make a payment. You just need to tap on the plus icon and click scan the merchant's QR code. The second option is merchant scans your code. Click the plus sign and click money. It will show your payment QR code and the merchant scans your code. So what is Alipay? Alipay is another super convenient mobile payment platform owned by Alibaba. It is actually the largest online payment platform, which is larger than PayPal and Google Pay. Similar to WeChat Pay, it has 1.6 billion users. To register, Alipay is also super easy. You just need to download the app, register, use your US phone number, and link it with your US credit card. You just need to click Me and then Bank Cards. Input your US credit card number. This Chinese means we'll send you bank statement. You just need to click OK. Similar to WeChat Pay, you do not need to verify your identity if you spend less than 15,000 yuan, which is about $2,000. Then, as you can see, my credit card was added successfully. Alipay has its own YouTube channel, and this video showed you in details of how to register and how to use Alipay. What about cash then? China still use cash, but it is a little inconvenient, especially when you're expecting a change. A lot of shops in China actually don't carry change anymore because everybody is paying using Alipay or WeChat Pay. If you want to get Chinese yuan when you travel to China, you could withdraw yuan from ATM using your US debit card, but it may charge a large transaction fee. Or you can get it at the airport when you arrive. After you have those two apps ready, you can definitely pay like a pro in China and make your transaction super smooth. But you would have to have a working cell phone to able to use those apps in China. So watch this video about how to use your phone in China like home.